In this quick guide, I'll show you how to subscribe to Udemy so you can start learning new skills right away. It's a simple process and you only need a computer and an internet connection. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Udemy and press enter. From the results, select the official Udemy website, which usually appears at the top. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner for your profile picture. Click it and a menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option labeled subscriptions. This will open the page where all the available subscription plans are listed. Take a moment to review the plans. Udemy offers options for personal learning as well as business open access, so choose the one that matches your goals. When you've made your choice, click the subscribe button next to the plan. You'll now be taken to the checkout page. Here you can select whether you want monthly access or a yearly plan, which often saves money. After choosing your billing option, scroll down and enter your payment details. Make sure everything is accurate before you continue. Once your information is set, click the button labeled Start Subscription. And just like that, you are officially subscribed to Udemy and ready to explore thousands of courses across every topic you can imagine. Enjoy your learning journey and remember that every new course is a step toward growth and new opportunities.